Welcome to the Inventory Management Web Training course. This course discusses the importance of inventory management as well as strategies to use to ensure your inventory is well maintained. Inventory management includes ordering, storing, and selling of a company's inventory or raw materials. Properly managing your shop's inventory is crucial since it ties up cash and impacts profitability. Just like cash flow, it can make or break your shop. Think of inventory as a placeholder for money. You paid for it and you'll get the money back along with some profit once you sell it. By managing your inventory well, you can maintain your cash flow and get maintenance and repair work efficiently through your shop. Adding and removing parts inventory lines based on demand means your shop can quickly respond to customer needs. Another important part of effective inventory management is reducing waste. Parts obsolescence and slow-moving items can create frozen capital, putting a squeeze on your cash flow. Next, we will take a look at strategies to maximize effective inventory management. Let's look at some helpful strategies to effectively manage your parts inventory. Good inventory management begins with making accurate predictions for demand of parts and products. This can be challenging since there are many variables involved. Using the parts inventory management software on your shop's computer system can help balance your parts inventory. Inventory management is based on several factors, such as lost sales, local market trends, year-over-year sales for same period, sales growth rate, seasonal demand, discounts and promotions, advertising, phase-in and phase-out parameters. Another important strategy is implementing low stock alerts to maintain workflow. Your shop's computer management system can help you keep track of the inventory in real time, so you can adjust ordering priorities. Having low stock alert levels set up on your system reduces inventory gaps that lower your shop's production and profits. Also directly related to low stock alerts is making sure you have threshold stocking levels. This means that you decide in advance what the minimum amount of a part or product should be on hand at all times. Once the amount dips below the level you've predetermined, your system can be set to immediately order more. This helps systemize the ordering process. Running out of some parts or products creates a low level of service, resulting in lost sales and customer dissatisfaction. On the other hand, never running out of stock on certain parts could mean you've got excess inventory. From time to time, you may need to adjust for market needs. Conduct research on a regular basis to keep a pulse on the market and what your customers need. Always track lost sales to see if a trend develops. This helps you increase stocking levels of certain parts to keep your customers happy. Track specific reasons why the sale was lost. Adjust your system's phase-in parameters based on yearly sales to maintain sufficient inventory of those parts. Other inventory management strategies are the first-in, first-out method and the last-in, first-out method of managing inventory. The first-in, first-out method, also known as FIFO, is the assumption that the first goods purchased are the first goods sold. Selling off the oldest goods first reduces the risk of obsolescence. We discuss how to organize inventory this way in a later section. The last-in, first-out method, or LIFO, is slightly different. With this method, the assumption is that the last items purchased are the first ones sold. This means that the newest inventory is usually what is sold. Next, you want to be sure to prioritize your parts inventory into fast and slow-moving. Fast-moving parts, such as oil filters, are ones that are constantly in demand and must be readily available. Slow-moving parts like tie rods are needed, but not as often, and can be ordered on an as-needed basis. Base your shop's need for parts and products on demand in your local market. Some parts and products may be seasonal, such as snow tires, so plan your inventory to match demand during certain times of the year.